Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. Today we have my Ask AI, and this is the best AI customer support agent for your software as a service platform or business. So before we dive in, there's a link in the description that you can use to get extended free trial and exclusive benefits and rewards on this platform. Make sure to give it a try. Now this has a lot of features to offer for you guys, like for example the support costs are too high and rising, but this platform is going to be providing you something really in budget and really optimized. And if your support agents are too busy for important work, then you can utilize the power of my Ask AI. Also, if you want to get the best integrations, it is going to be providing you that as well. So you can see it has a feature like, for example, you can train on your website and help docs to answer support requests. So it is based on learning model. You are going to be providing you are going to be providing it some documents and information that it is going to be using to get trained on, and then it is going to be answering your questions based on that documentation and training model that you have provided. So really amazing. You can see the AI to human handover works with your existing support tool. You can also see a demonstration on this little demonstration as well. So it is really awesome. Make sure to give it a try. So if you want to boost up your AI customer support, then this is the best thing for you. So I hope this helps, guys. Make sure to head over to the link in the description to get extended free trial and exclusive rewards and benefits on this one. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.